Hey everyone, so today we're going to be catching a ferry into the city and then going to Newtown to have some Turkish. The ferry. It's awfully cold to be sitting outside. Those houses. Check out that house right there. Check out. Oh, you can't see that. So, you can't see that, can you? I said you can't see that, can you? That house right there.
What is it?
A house. I said it's a house. A very expensive house. It looks like. On the way to Newtown. cafes in the area too. Some shops. And there's Ali. You're in Newtown. Cafe Newtown. Dun 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 dun. Where's Ali? It's another train station, but it's closed. Wish I had more things that way. We are not much on this side. Porto across the street. It's a cool mural with some crappy graffiti on it. It's a cool looking mural, but unfortunately it has graffiti on it. It's a pigment lab. Yeah. I had a look. It's next to the Enmore Theatre. It's next to the Enmore Theatre. Hey everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Look, I enjoyed shooting it as always. You know, look, it was a quick sort of trip down the ferry from where we live into the city. You know, something I wanted to shoot for a while. I took a really good picture of the city as well as the Harbour Bridge, which you're going to see in the video. Then from there, which I didn't really film, was in the city. Because there's nothing really to film. It's the city. From there, yeah, we went to Erskineville, which you'll see on the video as well, another little suburb, and then just a brief stroll from where we got off the bus in Newtown down to where we were going. Look, if you like the video, please give us a like. Please give me a like and subscribe. And I guess also, as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to Vietnam in January, or toward the end of January actually, to the beginning of February for 2 weeks. At the moment, logistics on that, obviously when you're planning a trip, everyone knows sort of logistics, how things can go crazy, you know, trying to pack in as much as you can in a short space of time. So at the moment, we're booked in a hotel in Ho Chi Minh City, or Saigon, whichever you prefer. You know, and then while we're there, we're going to be doing a tour of the Mekong Delta, as well as probably a food tour. You know, plenty of coffee shops around, so we're going to be doing that as well. Some shopping. Maybe we'll see what the shopping looks like. I know there's a massive shopping, or I should say cheap shopping. I can't think of the name off the top of my head. You know, over by where we're staying, that we're gonna go look at. It's in District 1, so I'm sure if you've been to Vietnam, you know what I'm talking about. You know, but then after that, we're not sure if we're going to be going to either Hoi An or to Hanoi. I know if we do go to Hanoi, we're probably going to do a trip on Ha Long Bay, like a night cruise, or say overnight cruise. So not sure how that's going to look. But yeah, look, and also with the videos that I will be shooting, I'm not too sure how I'm going to be posting them as well. It's going to be one large video of the whole trip. Probably not. It's probably going to be more episodic, I think. which is what I'm leaning toward at the moment. But yeah, as I said, look, as we get closer, I'll know more about what the chip's actually going to look like, and I will be giving you an update. And as I said, if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you think. Thank you.